We need energy in different forms for all other activities. We derive energy from several resources. Some of these resources have been in use for the longer period of time and are called conventional source of energy. Some other resources called non-conventional source are relatively new source of energy. The conventional source of energy includes firewood, cattle dung, minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity generated by flowing water or burning fuel. The known conventional source of energy include solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, atomic energy, and biogas. In rural India, firewood, cattle dung are the primary source of energy. Firewood is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from fire, that is firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuel. Coal. Coal is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. Coal is another important source of energy. By holding a piece of a coal, you are holding a part of a tree that grew on the earth millions of years ago. Over the years, the intense heat and pressure turned this prehistoric plant material buried under the earth into coal. Coal found in different regions may look different and have different properties. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines, and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is generated, which is also known as thermal power. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. We are heavily dependent on our coal reserves to meet our energy needs. Besides being used directly as fuel, coal is used to generate thermal electricity. That is, used to meet a large part of our domestic and industrial requirements. Coal is found in rocks belonging to the different geological periods. In India, coal is found as Gondwana deposits that are over 200 million years ago, and territorial deposits that are just about 55 million years ago. The Gondwana deposits are found in India to the Damodar Valley in West Bengal and Jharkhand, Jharia, Raniganj, Dhanbad, and Bokaro are the important coal fields in this area, as shown over here. Since coal is bulky and expensive to transport in large quantities, most power plant and heavy industries rely on coal are located near coal fields. After coal, petroleum is the most important fuel mineral found in India. Besides providing fuel like petroleum and diesel, petroleum also provide raw materials to the number of industries including textiles, fertilizers, and cosmetics. The different variety of products that are made from petroleum make it a nodal industry. It is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. Offshore old field in Mumbai High account for 63% of the total petroleum production in India. This is followed by 18% of the production coming from Gujarat and 16% from Assam. Besides Mumbai High, Ankleshwar in Gujarat, Digboy in Assam are the leading producers. Natural gas is a mixture of gases, primarily methane, which is found trapped in rocks. Natural gas is a clear energy fuel due to its low carbon dioxide emission. It is being promoted as a new generation auto fuel as compressed natural gas or CNG. You might have seen CNG stations in your cities. Natural gas is used in fuel industry, also used to generate electricity. In India, large deposits of natural gas have been found in the Krishna Godavari basin, Mumbai High, and the Gulf of Cambay. The Andaman Nicobar Island also hold the important depositions of natural gas. The other form of energy that is used more extensively in our homes and industry is electricity. The per capita electricity is used in our country indicates the process of development. It is interesting to note that the electricities that runs our industries and homes is derived from fast flowing rivers. The electricity generated by the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Flowing water is renewable resources. The map here shows some major hydropower plants in India. The large hydropower plants like Bakranangal, Damodar Valley Corporation and Kopili are called multi-purpose river projects. The electricity generated from the fuel minerals like coal, petroleum and natural gas is called thermal electricity.